So the Hurco Open House is on December the 4th and 5th here in High Wycombe. I'm with Andy Roberts. We're going to be looking at one of the reasons that you should be coming here to the show. Andy, Hurco and their 5-axis machines, very popular around the world. You've got quite a few different styles of machines, and this is one that can be seen here at the event, isn't it? Tell us a little bit about this model.
Well, this machine, again, is one of our 5-axis machines, but we have a B-axis and a C-axis.
And it's a travelling column style 5-axis, so it's quite a tidy footprint, isn't it?
Yeah, small compact machine, really, for the size of work that you can put on it.
What will it be doing at the event? I know we've got quite a tasty demo here, but I believe there's something else that you're going to be showing at the show.
For the open house, we're going to be putting a 3-vice system up, so machining multiple steel parts.
Machining steel?
Yeah, it's machining steel, yeah.
Okay, when you go out and talk to engineers that have these machines, or you're promoting them, what is the reasons that they like about it? What do people like about this style?
Yeah, the operators particularly like this machine because it's very easy to use for the operator. It's got a low down front, so it's very easy for the operator to load parts and set the machine up and work on it without bending your back.
I can see that from the access we've got here. We've obviously got the 2 doors opening access. Sure. You also, the tipping of the table can tip in both directions, can't it?
Yeah, we've got 110 degrees on the B-axis in both directions, which the unique selling point of that is that the fact that you can actually get to both sides of the part without having to rotate the C-axis, which enables you to put larger parts, which is less chance of collisions.
Is that unusual? Do most of your competitors just kind of manoeuvre one?
On the trunnion type machines, that's quite unusual because you have different tilt degrees in opposite directions. You have to rotate the C to get to both sides of the part, whereas this machine you don't have to.
Okay, so the open house is on the 4th and 5th of December. Andy, you've got a lot of 5-axis machines in the range. There'll be others here as well, won't there?
Yeah. Oh yes, we'll be showing our SRT, which has got a B and a C axis with a C flush in the bed. And we have our U machines, which is a C and an A axis.
Whereas Hurco might have been known before just for 3-axis machining, that certainly isn't the case these days.
No. That you can just look at the sales, that the 5-axis is the way it's going. Everyone wants 5-axis these days.
Good stuff. So if you're an operator, a programmer, or even an owner of a company, this is a machine that you could come and see at the open house here or at Hurco in High Wycombe on the 4th and 5th of December. Register for the event at hurco.co.uk.